Okay guys, so we have a leak here and we have to take this P-trap off. So put your little bucket or something under there, loosen these to the left, lefty loosey righty tighty. So we'll take the P-trap off and see what's going on. And it does appear that we have a clog. So we had some old straws that got stuck down in there. You want to take this washer off, get rid of it, clean the pipes that it's either weathered, brittle, or just it lost its elasticity. So get it all clean and we'll go into the bag. These bags are like 15 bucks and it's a kit for your P-trap. And there's some nice instructions on the back, so don't be too worried about it. We only need a few pieces for this one. For this fix, we're just fixing the leak. There's a washer. Here's the 2 nuts. We only need 1 washer because the other one has a built-in washer on the left pipe. So get it nice and clean. Go ahead and put the nut up first, and then it will rest on the washer once it's put on there. And you can see that it's just resting on there. And we'll grab our P-trap, we'll snug it up, and we'll pull this up to make sure it fits properly. And then we'll pull down and snug tight. Don't over tighten. Just get it nice and snug. You do not need to over tighten this. And you don't have to replace everything. Replace what is leaking. So in this case, it's just the P-trap. Now we'll check it for leaks. Again, just nice and snug. And we're all good. And this is the only part that we replaced right here. No more leak. Guys, let's take a little better look at this thing. Look how much crap gets down in your P drain. That thing is coated. There were some straws here. They got caught down in there. And then just trash. All that was stuck in there. All this is smelly, nasty stuff. The water's just standing in there, right? It's nasty. Change them out every so often. Get your little pan and set this under there and get to work. Guys, I hope you liked the video. All you got to do is replace what is leaking. In our case, it was this part right here. So I bought the little kit. Everything's nice and dry. And if you like these type of videos, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.